girl.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Afternoon, and I just got back from having a picnic with my friend Ali, and then we also went into town and had a bit of a look around. She had to pick up a few things or whatever, but I'm home now. And for those of you who don't know, I am a month away from basically leaving my whole life behind and traveling around Australia in a caravan with my partner. So the house I'm in right now, it looks full. It's actually basically empty, so all that's left to get rid of is basically the lounge room furniture. So what I do, if you already know what's going on with my life, then you know. If you don't, hello, welcome to this new adventure. In this vlog, I thought I would just show you kind of where the house is at. It's an absolute tip at the minute, but this is real life, and I ain't ashamed. So I'm gonna just quickly take you around and show you where everything is at. So over the next month, you'll see the transformation. We actually have to be out of this house in 2 weeks. So a lot is gonna go down in the next 2 weeks, but let's get started. So this is the lounge room. Basically today, I think I'm gonna clean up the couch and post that on Gumtree, as well as the TV unit. My partner Brett still needs the PlayStation and the TV at the minute because he needs to clear some stuff off the PlayStation before we can sell that. This used to have stuff on it. It's now basically empty apart from 2 things for the dog and just some books and incense. This is actually the table from the caravan, but Brett's using it as his makeshift desk to edit weddings and stuff, which he does on the side. Kitchen, we've got nothing in the dining room, a bunch of rubbish. A kitchen's a kitchen. All the drawers are basically empty though, apart from essentials. Walking down our hallway cupboard, this side is completely empty. And then this side, we've got our winter blanket towels. So these are beach towels. That's one spare towel we're keeping until we go. Linen, they're curtains for the kitchen. That's all Charlie's stuff. And then we've got 2 duffel bags that we need to store somewhere. Our bedroom is looking atrocious, but there used to be a big mirror there that's now gone. So basically all we have in here is our bed and clothes. We used to have a dresser there, hence why everything's just like on the floor. But at the moment, Brett and I have our clothes on here, and then I've got a rack over there which has clothes in it that I haven't worn yet. So every time I pick a piece from there to wear, I then move it to here. Just a way of kind of sorting my clothes basically. But this bed, it might look nice, but Brett actually made it, so there's like screws sticking out everywhere at the back and whatever. So I said we could try to sell it, but he just wants to get rid of it. So we're probably gonna smash that up this weekend. Toilet and bathroom, we don't need to worry about that. This used to be my office. At the minute, it's just got a lot of Brett's camera gear and then our sentimental stuff that we are going to be storing at my parents' house. But it's just in here for now. And then this was Brett's office, and all that's in here is a stick for a vacuum cleaner, and everything else is empty. So yeah, that's where the house is at the minute. Wow, it's really echoey in here. So I just thought I would show you that, say this is where we're at, so the next few clips or vlogs or whatever kind of make a bit more sense. Good morning. So it is Friday today, and I'm actually on the way into town to go have coffee with a few of my friends. One of my friends that lives in Sydney is here at the minute just visiting family and stuff, so we're all gonna go catch up. It's meant to be 30 degrees today, which is pretty hot for little old Tassie, so I've got my hair up in like a scrunchie that I made myself. Pretty exciting. Now that I'm not working, I try to work out in the morning, and then, so work out fasted and then have my muesli for breakfast. So that's what I've been trying to do every morning now that I'm not sick anymore. So so far I like it because then I've just got the rest of the day to chill and I'm not thinking about what I have to do later to work out and dreading it and whatever. So anyway, I also cleaned the house a bit this morning, which I didn't film because I thought it'd be a bit boring. But yeah, let's go get some coffee. I'm excited. Hopefully, we're going to a new place called Bread and Butter, and hopefully they do a nice iced coffee. We ended up being out for about like 4.5-ish hours. We went out for coffee and then we took Charlie to the dog park, which you saw a clip of. And then we all just ended up going back to my parents' house to, a couple of the girls hadn't seen the caravan yet. So we were just chilling there and chatting or whatever. But I'm home now and I want to do something tomorrow morning. So what I showed you earlier in this vlog is the clothing rack that I was keeping clothing that I haven't worn yet and like sorting out my clothes that way. Now I've changed my mind and I am going to move that rack out into the lounge room. And this is just for tonight. And I'm going to move all of my winter clothes and some of Brett's winter clothes and stuff there, so that tomorrow morning I can just quickly grab them all and take them to the caravan because I'm not going to need them now. Just so I just basically want to get stuff moved so that we don't have to worry about it so much in 2 weeks' time. I just want to gradually do it over the next 2 weeks rather than rushing around to do it last minute, because I'm a really planned out person. So leading up to leaving, I want to be as less stressed as possible so that I don't freak out. So that's something I'm about to just do right now. Hopefully that made sense. I feel like it didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here so that tomorrow I can start a new one when I start to move into the caravan. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please check out my Instagram at beceldrup and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in 3 days.